Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volkswagen Arteon key. To begin, make sure you have a small flathead screwdriver handy. You will also need a new CR2032 battery for replacement. It is always best to work on a clean, well-lit surface to avoid losing any small parts. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Next, locate the small release button on the side of your Arteon key fob. Press this button firmly, and then you can easily pull out the physical key blade. This action is crucial because it exposes a small, narrow slot. This slot is where you will insert your tool to begin separating the key fob's two halves. It's a simple but important step. Now, take your small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert its tip into the slot you just revealed. With a gentle but firm motion, twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Continue to work your way around the seam until the casing fully opens. Be careful not to force it. Before removing the old battery, take a quick moment to note its orientation. This ensures you insert the new CR2032 battery correctly. Carefully pop out the old battery and replace it with the new one. For an effortless home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they click securely into place. Test your key to ensure it functions properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.